Welcome to part 2. Here on our platform, all our mentors are given opportunities to share our lives with millions of foreign students who want to study in Korea. In this video, we will let you know how to start writing my story on our platform. By the way, if you haven't become an AK mentor yet, make sure to watch our registration video and become one. So let's get started.
Firstly, log into your existing AK Mentor account and click onto My Page. Among the 6 texts on My Page, My Story is the very first one at the top. We will click Story Chaksong, which is writing a story. Before starting our story, we may need a title, which we can put here in the title box. After that, we can categorize our story into such as these. Now you already start writing our story with the tools here. You can change your font, the font size, and so many on. Don't forget to add your pictures too by clicking this Sajan icon. Once you're done with your story, click Story 등록 and you're all done. All you have to do now is to wait for the approval and your story should appear soon. Good luck!